Hi guys, my name is Bart Kamski and this is Unreal Engine 4 minutes tutorial. This tutorial is a bit longer than 4 minutes, but we have something cool. I create the slider that changes volume according to speed of the movement and pitch according to its position. So let's get right into it. First you need to import the loop sound to your content browser, and this sound is in the link below. You can download it, and if you already have it, let's open it, and under Soundwave Looping tab we have to select looping, and let's save it. So this sound will loop infinitely even if it's only 1 second long. Okay, let's create our widget. So let's press right mouse button, user interface, widget blueprint, and let's name it slider_WB as widget blueprint. And let's open it. And here on the left side, let's grab the slider and just drag it to here, and let's stretch it. And on anchors, let's select the middle anchor, so it's always navigate to middle, no matter the size and the ratio of the screen. Okay, let's go back to our character. Let's select it, let's open it, and I already have event begin play here, so I'm gonna grab this and type create widget. And here I'm gonna select our widget blueprint, and we need to add it to viewport. Add to viewport. So I'm gonna add it to viewport, compile. Okay, we're not gonna need this. Okay, I already have my slider here. To get access to the slider from first person, we need to press Shift and 1 to call the mouse. And again, if we press outside the slider, mouse disappearing, so Shift 1 to get access to the slider. Okay, let's do the magic. Let's open again our widget blueprint and go to the graph. We're not gonna need this. All we're gonna need is tick, and we're gonna need on mouse capture begin, again on mouse capture end, and again on value changed. So first of all, let's create a variable and name it slider on. Here we go, and let's grab it with Alt to set it, and once again, and on mouse capture begin, let's slider on, and on mouse capture end, let's disable it. And let's grab it with Control to get it, and let's use branch, and we're gonna plug our tick to this branch. So this tick going to work only when slider is on. And we need another thing. Let's create another variable and name it slider value, and we have to change it from boolean to float. And let's grab it with Alt to set it, and we have our value already set. Okay, now we have to create our sound, and we're gonna create it at the mouse capture begin. So let's grab it from here and select spawn sound 2D. I'm using spawn sound instead of play sound because I need a return value to store it. So let's select our loop sound, here it is, and from return value, let's promote it to variable, and let's just name it our loop sound. Here we go. And one more thing, we're going to, because if we use this, we're going to spawn sound and play sound already, but we want to fade in the sound. So let's grab this and type fade and select fade in sound and set the duration to 0.2, which is 0.2 second fade in instead of just sharp start. Okay, and here at the on mouse capture end, let's again grab this sound and let's destroy it. We're not gonna stop it, we're gonna destroy it, so it doesn't occupy our memory. Okay, let's start doing the magic with the volume and the pitch of the sound. We'll start with the pitch because it is simple, so let's grab our sound with Control and let's set pitch multiplier. Here we go. And let's grab our slider value. And we need to map it because slider value goes from 0 to 1. But we need to map it. So we use map range clamped. And the input is, like I said, 0 and 1. And output is between 0.8 and 1.2. So the pitch changes between 80 and 120%. You can set up this value as you wish. Okay, and we can already check if this works. It does work, but it doesn't change the volume, and it plays even if we don't move the slider. So we need to change it. We have our slider value, but we need to interpolate it because we need to measure the speed, because we're going to change the volume according to speed. We connect the volume to the speed. So let's get from this value and type finterp2, and this is going to be not current but target. So I press Ctrl to change from current to target, and let's promote this variable and value interp, which is interpolated already. So we're gonna grab interpolated value with Ctrl, and we're gonna connect it here. And we need a tick, delta time here, and interspeed, let's set it up to 10 maybe, which is pretty fast, but it fits our needs. Okay, so what interpolation do? When this slider could change really fast, even could change in quantum matter, because if it's 0 and we press on 1, it jumps to 1. So the speed is very, very high. But if we interpolate this value, we have slider value and our interpolation value. And when this slider value jumps from 0 to 1, this interpolated value needs to catch on. So when we subtract those values, we have the speed. So we get one value, we get another value, and we subtract it. And we need to use absolute, because sometimes it can jump from 0 to 1, but also from 1 to 0. Sometimes it could be minus or plus, but if we absolute it, we always have plus. So the difference between those value, actual value, and interpolated value is actual speed of moving of our slider. So we're gonna get our loop sound and set volume multiplier, and here we can do some stuff with this. We can, for example, multiply it by 5, but we're gonna clamp it then between 0 and 1, because I don't want to have volume bigger than 1. And then we can connect it here. And let's compile. We can play with those values. Maybe we don't need to multiply by 5, so we need clamp as well, because this value not ever going to be bigger than 1. But if we do this, we kind of compress the volume of the sound. We can also change the interpolation speed, maybe it's a bit slower, so it has bigger tail. You know the drill. You can play with it and do whatever you want. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I see you next time.